Grammar tutorial. Verb to be, present.
To be present. Chris is a doctor.
These are the forms of the verb to be in present. Repeat after you hear them.
Affirmative form.
I am. He is. She is. It is. You are. We are. They are.
Negative form.
I am not. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. You aren't. We aren't. They aren't.
Interrogative form.
Am I? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are you? Are we? Are they? We use the verb to be for personal information.
Job. They aren't teachers. Name. My name is Julia. Adjectives. Is it expensive? Nationality. She is Italian. Position. He is in the office. Age. We are 21 years old.
Check some more examples on how to use the verb to be.
My name's Michael. I'm not very tall. They are 26 and 28 years old. Anna is a police officer. She is Chinese. My phone number is 312-970-1584.
Are you Paul Smith?
Yes, I am.
Are you a doctor?
No, I'm a lawyer. Is he overweight?
Yes, he is.
Is New York small?
No, it isn't. Are they expensive?
Yes, they are. Is it warm today?
No, it isn't.
To consolidate what you studied in this class, it is important to repeat the sentences to learn them well. So, listen and repeat the words and sentences.
I'm from Canada.
My father is 75 years old.
English isn't difficult to learn.
Simon and Jenny are married.
We aren't at home now.
Is your school near here?
Are these new shoes?
The dog is under the table.
I'm not very well today.